J.B. Straubel is part of the founding team and the chief technical officer of Tesla Motors, an electric car company based in Palo Alto, California. At Tesla, Straubel oversees the technical and engineering design of the vehicles. Straubel also has responsibility for new technology evaluation, R&D, technical diligence review of key vendors and partners, IP, and systems validation testing. In addition to his work at Tesla, Straubel is also on the board of directors for Solar City. He is also a lecturer at his alma mater, Stanford University, where he teaches the popular energy storage integration class in the Atmosphere and Energy program. Biography: in 2008, Straubel was named to the MIT Technology Review Trail 35 as one of the top 35 innovators in the world under the age of 35. He spoke at MIT's MTech conference on a panel on green transportation in Boston, Massachusetts in September 2008. Straubel was honored to keynote the Stanford Alumni EDAY in July 2008. In July 2008, Straubel spoke on a transportation panel progression toward EVs at Plug in 2008. In early 2008, Stanford magazine featured Straubel's role in growing the Stanford presence at Tesla Motors. In September 2007, J.B. spoke on an energy panel titled Clean, Secure, and Efficient Energy at Stanford University along with former Secretary of State, George Shultz, where he emphasized the importance of education about climate change, and decreasing the CO2 intensity of our current energy production methods. Popular Science magazine featured Straubel in a full-length article in April 2007. His photograph was shown in The Economist in July 2006, taking Governor Arnold Schwarzenegger for a drive at the Tesla Roadster unveiling in Santa Monica, California. In March 2012, Straubel spoke at the Design West conference, produced by UBM Electronics, at the McEnery Convention Center in San Jose, CA. Prior to Tesla Motors, Straubel was the CTO and co-founder of Volocom along with Harold Rosen. Volocom worked closely with Burt Rutan at Scaled Composites to design a specialized high-altitude aircraft platform using a novel hydrogen-powered electric power plant. At Volocom, Straubel co-invented and patented the new long-endurance hybrid propulsion concept that was later licensed to Boeing. Before Volocom, Straubel worked with Harold Rosen and Benjamin M. Rosen at Rosen Motors as a propulsion engineer developing a new hybrid vehicle drivetrain based on a microturbine and a high-speed flywheel. Rosen Motors ultimately closed, but both main technologies carried on with commercial success, the turbine at Capstone Turbine and the flywheel at Pentadyne Power Corporation. Straubel was part of the early team at Pentadyne where he designed and built a first-generation 150 kW power inverter, motor generator controls, and magnetic bearing systems. In the area of technical expertise, Straubel has consulted with VC firms Taproot Ventures and Kleiner Perkins in addition to several other private equity investors to conduct technical diligence reviews for many startups in the energy and clean technologies category. Straubel also consults with Amory Lovins at the Rocky Mountain Institute. Although he did not originally intend to work in the automobile industry, Straubel has had a long personal passion for electric vehicles, including building an electric Porsche 944 that held a world EV racing record, a custom electric bicycle, and a pioneering new hybrid trailer system that he designed while in college. Straubel received a B.S. in Energy Systems Engineering and an M.S. in Energy Engineering, emphasis on energy conversion, both from Stanford University. Outside of Tesla Motors, Straubel is also an accomplished pilot and holds private pilot, instrument and multi-engine ratings. References. External links, official J.B. Straubel website.